little bit more volume filled. The speed of the tape has been increased a little bit. As you can see, we have the tape, the time and sales window at the right side. Very important too. We are now coming again just near our iceberg price area, where we have some iceberg triggered on this price area on 83. It looks like difficult to go lower for the moment. The market making compass is still positive. Interesting situation here. We have seen a bid reloaded and a net shifty by manip triggered. Market making compass is now positive, still positive at 8. We have seen new buy HFT manip signals triggered, coming back to pullbacking to 82.50. Interesting situation. We can see that the iceberg triggered on the offer at 83 are probably in good situation when we have printed 22 and now 21. Okay, a new iceberg order triggered on the bid by iceberg order on 22, just here on a large bid wall, but it was an iceberg because the amount triggered, the amount of volume sold was bigger than the side of the best bid. Okay, just that, simply that. New iceberg order triggered on the bid. Market making compass is, oh, okay, neutral. Okay, maybe there are some important statistics, US statistics and US news, which will be released this afternoon. It's possible, I have not checked, but it's likely possible. Price is pushed up. Market making compass is now bullish, lightly, only +2. We are now on 81.50, 82 now. Interesting volume sold. You can use the pointer tape to point your mouse on the volume, on the sphere, in order to see the size and the price, the transaction price. Okay, it is here volume field. It is the volume from the tape. Okay, it is important to use this kind of tool, especially when you have some big sphere. You can see easily how many contract has been transacted on the price level.